Good afternoon to you all. Thank you so much. CII Young Indians, Guwahati chapter. Chairperson Kaushik sir, Co-Chairperson ma'am, and the Chairperson of this Royal Institute, Pansari sir, Vice Chairperson Modi sahab, and the people who took me here, Mr. Bajaj, Nitesh ji, Mayank, and all members of this fine association all over the country. Friends, believe me, I travel all over the globe, but because of you all, first time I came to Guwahati. It's my privilege and honor to stand in front of you. Friends, all IIMs, all IITs, maybe all over the world, many institutes I delivered. Sir, not praising, because I'm not going to get any benefit from Royal Institute. But believe me, friends, start from my welcome. Everything was royal, everything was royal. And you are the fortunate students for the part of this Royal Institute. Pansari sir, when I was entering, Hindi samajhte aapko na? I can use sometimes Hindi, no problem. No? There is no condition. No? Speaker should speak only in English. No, okay. Then no problem. When I am not a speaker, I am a simple teacher. Thanks Almighty God. बहुत मौके मिले all over the globe. Entry किया दोस्तों. Really, the entry itself is very good, sir. Atmosphere is very good. I don't know how you are good. It will come to know after 1 hour. But I know this session will be very good. Sir, कितना समय बोलना है मुझे? नहीं, कितना भी मत बोलना. मैं कल सुबह जाने वाला हूँ. तो मैं तो बहुत बात कर सकता हूँ. 1.5 hour, 1 hour. Okay. दिवाली है. डिस्काउंट के लिए प्रीमियम लेता हूँ 10 मिनट का. Maybe 70 minutes. But I expect you should ask me some questions. But believe me, जितनी भी देर बोलूँगा, as much I will speak, not more than 70 minutes anyhow. Nobody will move from here. It's my guarantee, friends. It's my guarantee. 100% you will enjoy. You will enjoy it. It's my guarantee. Not because I'm a very good speaker, but the thing which I'm going to speak, very good things I'm going to speak. But ये भी बोलूँगा, जो कुछ कहूँगा सच कहूँगा, सच्चे से कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. Everything is right. And when I speak to students, थोड़ा और नशा आ जाता है, because I love students a lot. But friends, lots of learning from today's session. Lots of learning. Lots of. I cannot give the list, but exhaustive, no, inclusive. I am going to speak to the masters of logistics and supply chain. Masters. We are the masters because we believe that whatever you work, wherever you work, maybe students, maybe teachers, we feel we should be a master among us. That's it. That's what we feel. There are many people better than us, maybe all over the globe. At least we feel that whatever we do, we are the experts but masters. And as far as the Mumbai Dabawala is concerned, I know many people know about Dabawala, but today whatever I am going to speak that you may not be knowing. Friend, you know what Dabawalas are doing in Mumbai. Normally people believe Dabawalas are supplying food. Yes, they supply food, but home cooked food. They are not caterers. Dirty food is cooked at home. This man is simply collect home cooked food, your own tiffin. They will collect in the morning from your home and they will deliver before lunchtime in office. After lunch is over, they will pick empty tiffin and same day in the evening, they will deliver at your home. So there's two deliveries in a day, and on these 2 deliveries, I will speak 70 minutes. Can you imagine this? Simple 2 deliveries. Just imagine. I know many people must not be knowing why Dabawala collect in the morning from home. Why you cannot collect your own tiffin in Mumbai? My dear student, suppose your father is working in Mumbai. You know, in Mumbai, sir, we have long railway routes, 60-70 kilometers. So it takes 3 to 4 hours from home to workplace. So if your father will start morning 6 o'clock, he will reach office 9 o'clock. And if your father want to carry his own tiffin, your mother should cook 5 o'clock. But in Mumbai, father do not allow mother to cook 5 o'clock because father love that mother. You want my wife should cook 8 o'clock. No problem, man. Let father to start 6 o'clock. Let mother to cook 8 o'clock because 9 o'clock, Dabala will come to collect your tiffin. So your mother is happy. So हम लोग सर आजकल मार्केटिंग करते हैं मुंबई में डब्बा सर्विस के लिए हम लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं जो बीवी से करे प्यार वो डब्बा वाला को कैसे करे इनकार and this job they are doing last 125 years 125 साल से consistently they are supplying all Mumbai. So why Young Indian, why Royal College invited me? My dear students, I'm talking more students because I came to know majority 80% students are there. And of course, हम तो बूढ़े हो गए यार, क्या बचा क्या है? We want all your principal, chairperson, Young Indians who want that students should get something in their life. Even Young Indians, those who are young entrepreneurs, they can learn many things from your life. Provided friend, you should have that thirst to learn. हम लोग कहते हैं दोस्तों सुनकर देखकर एक्सपीरियंस से बहुत कुछ आदमी सीखता है many things to learn everybody myself also friend why they invited me my dear friend so these people are poor people these people are illiterate people these people are working in adverse situation Mumbai long railway routes heavy weight overcrowded local train such adverse situation is there despite all these facts Dabala is recognized all over the world because they are working excellently. My question to we all, I am also highly qualified. My question to we all, if these people could do, why we cannot do? Because we are qualified people, good amenities, good facilities, what not package, what not money we have, maybe your own, maybe parents, they are giving everything. Why we cannot do? You must be doing, if not, something we can improve. And my purpose to that only friend, how we can uplift ourselves. That is the purpose of this today's session. And that's why Young Indians are inviting all our globe friends. They are working hard, believe me friends. How much? I think 2 months, 3 months before, they committed this session. And today I am here. So these people are working because you should get some benefit. And believe me friends, एक मैसेज दूंगा ये भी याद रखना जो कुछ कहूंगा तो सच है बट व्हाट यू आर टू स्पीक 100% आई एम लाइक दैट not a single percent you will find it is not there that's why I will dare to speak so loudly so confidently because I want if we are good we can make other people good and we want students should always good friend because you are young people you are better people as far as Dabala are concerned this is excellent story no doubt excellent thing lots of takeaways are there lots of takeaways previously I was not knowing the meaning of takeaway कुछ दिनों पहले सीखा हूं मैं because one corporate invited me big company let me take the name Microsoft and the vice president mailed me Dr. Pawan we want to know what are the takeaway from your session that day I was not knowing what you want to ask I simply replied him sir I don't know what you are asking but I will give away whatever you want to take away कौशिक साहब जैसे आईटी में एक्सपर्ट है वो बोलता है अरे पवन जी ये आपके टेकअवेज है मेरे को ऐसा है क्या एक साइड और बढ़ा दिया टेकअवेज का सो पीपल इनिशियली नो ओह दीस आर द टेकअवेज इज इट गुड सर सर chairman has built this big college he brought teachers in front of you faculties are there they will give away it is up to you what you can take away you don't ask people what are they it's my experience it's my feeling friend and whatever I speak, I'm a father figure, I'm speaking like that only. Believe me, friends. How you can ask teacher? Sir, हमको सबको एक जैसा पढ़ाते हैं. There are some students who are in big flying colors. Why? Because that student take away dark things. Friend, it's a big question. Of course, in today's session, you will find takeaways are passion, commitment, consistency, 100% execution. In 125 years, it never happened. Single tiffin is undelivered. Impossible. 100% execution. 100% execution. Because now we speak 100%, we never speak 99%. यहाँ पर तो 99 या 99.99, 100 तो बोलता ही नहीं बनता. Why? Friends, everything should be 100%. Everything. You cannot think of it 99%, friends. Because we believe even 1% mistake from our side, that 1% mistake may be the consequences for that person may be 100%. We don't know. हमारी एक गलती किसी और के लिए दोस्तों लाइफ बर्बाद हो सकती है या बड़ा नुकसान हो सकता है. How we can think of 1%? You cannot think of 1%. That's what we believe, and that's why we make 100% execution, and that too accurately. Sir, every day. In 125 years, it never happened. Your tiffin delivered to somebody else. Impossible, impossible. Because we know we should deliver right tiffin to the right person. मैंने रिसर्च में पूछा. I have done research continuously for 9 years. इतने सारे questions हैं, इतने सारे findings हैं. I cannot speak all because of time constraint. Yeah, what mistake you can do? What Jawala told me, sir, suppose a non-vegetarian tiffin had delivered to a vegetarian guy, will he eat? Jawala said, he will not eat, he will hit me. I cannot do that. This is simple feeling. That's why I cannot do wrong delivery. He cannot do it. Friend, these all things possible because of dedication. Dedication. करके दिखो दोस्तों. आसान है क्या? But मुश्किल भी नहीं है. Today, to gather you all, I think young Indians have dedicated themselves for a number of days. From morning I was seeing that Nitesh and Mayank, they came from airport and continuously with me and checking this, that, what not that way. Same thing your college. I am already invited for today's evening function. It's my honor, I'll be with you. That's different. But friend, to perform one program, how much dedication you can imagine? I know student friends, when you do dance or you do stage performance, पता है ना 3 मिनट के डांस के लिए कितनी मेहनत करते हैं हम लोग, कितना प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. तो सोचो 3 घंटे के एग्जाम के लिए कितना करना होगा. Can we do? We don't do, might be. Because we don't have that dedication, maybe nature, whatever we call friends. यहाँ पर complete समर्पित भावना है, dedication, and that too in time. If you find on Google in time, on time delivery, you will find all over go Mumbai Dhabalas. Mumbai Dhabalas always deliver on time because they know even you are excellent, you are expert, your performance should be in time. If you are performing after time, it is useless, friends. Exam hall के बाहर आने के बाद तुम बोलोगे अरे ये लिखना था, अच्छा ठीक है अगले साल लिखना. Can you do after all, friends? No, not at all. You cannot do, friends. I cannot teach after academic is over. I should teach before academic comes to an end, before exam. My dear friends, I know exam percentage are not only important, but it is important. Principal ma'am told, we are qualified. I like her sentence, we want to make good citizens, good students. Yes, they are doing good food, good services. We can bring good citizens to this country, no doubt about it. So this requires timely, and we are well performing time. Because every individual in this country is working for complete customer satisfaction. That's it. So we feel we should satisfy our customers. I will tell you, friends, how they are expert in customer satisfaction. And this is possible very simply. Some principles are there. Sade principle here. I think everybody has same principles. Simple principles. Our principle is number 1, work is worship. Friends, believe me, these people give more importance to work than family. Whenever maybe chairperson sir might be explaining, or when in company, corporate, when employer talk to employees, we talk emotionally. We always speak, ma'am, man, please take care of your family. If your family is happy, you will be able to work. Sir, we say, no. If I am happily working, I will get income. If I get income, I can make my family happy. That's why he says that work, my family is happy. My work is important. Sir, ऐसे किस्से हैं, ताज्जुब करोगे आप. Even somebody's uncle expired, he will manage work, then he will go for funeral. Can you imagine this? That much importance to work is giving. ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस, ऐसे ऐसे आंसर्स हैं, हमको लगता है कि ऐसा सोच सकता है बॉस, ऐसा होता है, ऐसा होता है, बिकॉज कस्टमर इज गॉड, दैट्स इट. You will accept end of the session, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, they believe customer is God. भगवान मानता है customer को. Friend, it is true. Because when I am coming over here, forget from Mumbai and what I am doing, I may be spending 20, 40 hours, but my dear friends, 400, 500 people spending 2 hours for me, it means I believe you are spending 1000 hours for my session. So I believe you are my customer, you are my God, at least for 2 hours. If this feeling you have, believe me, you will perform best. The person for whom you are working, you should work passionately. For example, students, they work for parents and teachers. Teachers, they work for students. I believe, my dear faculty friends, we are not paid by maybe chairmen of our college. We paid by students. Because every country, every business paid by customers. And we believe customers are important, friends. And because of this principle, we work excellently. We work excellently. If you think of the history of Dabbawalas, sir, started in 1890. Chairman sir was asking me, how it started? Sir, in 1890, one Mr. Mahadu, who founded this association, he was asked by one Parsian working in Britishers' bank, that Mr. Parsi asked Mr. Mahadu, can you bring my tiffin from my home? Mahadu simply answered, I will bring, no problem. From that day, Mahadu started to bring tiffin. It means in 1890, one Dabbawala, one customer. Today we will see 5,000 Dabbawalas and 200,000 tiffin every day delivered. 200,000 tiffin every day. Don't want to think that. Oh my God. और तब से याद है ब्रिटिशर्स टाइम, बंदा जो भी बोलता है, Talekar साहब was my guru. He was a secretary of this association number of years. He is no more now. Passed away before 10 months. He was talking on dais. हम अंग्रेज जमाने के जेलर तो नहीं है, लेकिन अंग्रेज जमाने के डबे वाले जरूर है. Because we are supplying from Britishers time. They feel proud. Why we call 800,000 transactions? दोस्तों, इनका काम क्या है? घर से डिब्बा उठाना है, घर पे वापस देना है. ऑफिस में डिब्बा देना है, ऑफिस से फिर उठाना है. So one customer will have 4 transactions. So that's why we call 800,000 transactions. 5,000 people carrying 200,000, it means one man carrying approximately 40 tiffin. My dear friend, these are 2 containers, outside container and inside one more container. Food basket, लोहे का होता है. It's a heavy basket because they want to use rough and tough. Total 60-65 kg weight they are carrying in that crowded local train in which we found empty and difficult. They are carrying 65 kg weight. That too by traveling 60-70 kilometers one way 60-70 kilometers. So 2 way they are traveling 120-140 kilometers. Oh my God! And who are they? If you see the literacy rate, average literacy 8th grade schooling, 8th grade. There was a time 95% of all were illiterate. As of today also 30-35% illiterate. Of course literacy rate is increasing because of government, because of parent, because of atmosphere. Literacy rate is increasing. But despite as on today 30% illiterate, they are illiterate but they read coding in English. How surprising. Illiterate people read coding in English. They will not talk but they will read. They will not able to know but they know this is my work. In research, I asked for Dabbawala, can you tell me the address of Royal College? What he answered me, sir, I cannot tell you the address, but I can take you to Royal College. I know where it is. बोलते नहीं है कि बच्चा काम करेगा. Can you imagine this? हम तो यार बोलते कितना है, काम ही नहीं करते हैं. मतलब normal. Don't take otherwise. Very happy friends. मतलब they are illiterate in education, but literate in work. Young Indians know better. Many qualified people comes to business, they are highly qualified, but they don't know the work. Then we start training. 1 training, 2 training, pata nahi kitna training. Sir, I am surprising. Don't take otherwise. My dear friends, I am giving a lot of messages, but ulta nahi samjhe kya? I am going to share my experience. That's it. Not my opinions, it's my experiences. Friend, even you get training, okay, but when you change the job, again you want training. How it is? Is it good? Friends, not good. Because we believe before you come to job, you must have training. That's it. I told that's why at the end of the session you ask me number of questions. जो भी दिन में पूछते हैं I'll give very fast answers. Because purpose ही वो है. These people have spent this much money, this much time because you should learn something. Friend, 120, 140 kilometers they are doing all these things and it takes 8 to 9 hours. I know normal practice in our country working 8 to 9 hours, but can you work 9 hours completely? No, might be. But in this case, sir, this man when work for 9 hours, they are completely busy for 9 hours, completely busy. I will show one slide, you will come to know, in 9 hours, they do not have 5 minutes relax. हमारा ऐसा होता है, count करना दोस्तों, some people may be working very good, salute to them, it's different. But can we work 9 hours consistently? भले हम घर पे बोलते हैं, अरे उनको देखने को समय नहीं मिला, very good. पता नहीं क्या क्या dialogue we use. 9 hours even we work, do you feel you work completely 9 hours for yourself? I'm sorry, never. Or nowadays to that mobile, क्या बोलते हैं, WhatsApp. Is it good? Sir, I remember during working hours, my friend, during my working hours, he sent WhatsApp, which is neither related to his work nor related to my work. How he sent WhatsApp? और भी किसी को पूछता हूँ तो पंसारी साहब बंदा बोलता है, अरे कौन काम नहीं है। दोस्तों ध्यान से सुनना, यदि काम नहीं है तो आप ऐसे ही बैठोगे। Why your life, your time is not important? My dear friends, even your employer, your company, your customer do not give work, you should work. Because my time is important. I cannot sit idle. That's why our purpose is there. 9 hours you work completely. For customer, he feel I am the owner of 9 hours. He contribute complete 9 hours for customer, for association. Because he believe I am paid for 9 hours. I must work complete 9 hours. I must work 9 hours. यहाँ तो दोस्तों टीचर को, आई एम सॉरी सर, जब उसी में करने आपकी बिरादरी का हो, ये ताना मुझे भी है, टीचर को एक एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर दे दो तो पता नहीं क्या से क्या होता है। वर्किंग आवर्स में आधा घंटा मीटिंग बढ़ा दे तो पता नहीं क्या होता है। एंड वी फील आवरसेल्फ, मैं किस्सा सुनाता हूँ, शायद तुम नहीं करोगे फ्यूचर में। couple of months before in my office, sir, in my office, my employee in my working hours on my PC searching other job. Oh my God. Is it good? दोस्तों, believe me, मैं पहले सर रोता था ऐसा बोलते। मैंने कहा मैं पहले जो भी दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, is it good? Can you work like this? I'm not scolded that man. मैंने बैठ के समझाया, कोई एग्रीमेंट है, कोई बॉन्ड है, how your conscience allows this? कहाँ पर है हमारे conscience? How you can do this, man? छोड़ दो ना यार, बॉन्ड नहीं है तो छोड़ दो, ठीक है। But is it good to do like this? Man, it is not good to do like this. Believe me, take this all whatever I'll speak in 1 hour. Take away friend, note करो दिमाग में और तुम्हारे नोटबुक में and लाइफ में यूज करना। Believe me, you will be one of the master in your group, in your family, in your nation. It's my guarantee, friends. करके तो देखो यार, कितना मजा आता है। End of the day, why we are living for satisfaction, own satisfaction. Forget other. In that 9 hours, we have 3 hours work time. Why? Customers should serve in time. So it never happened. Your last time started and Dabala not came. Impossible. Because he believed, sir may be vice president, sir may be manager. If Dabala comes late, company will not change last time for my customer. So Dabala क्या बोलता है? If my customer will not get different lunch time, if I am not supplying in time, what will happen? My customer will eat outside food. Then my customer food will waste. He will pay money. He will waste the time. He know the consequences of late going, and that's the reason he feel I'm delivering in the morning at war time. He's more attention than any other. This is possible because structure is good. Friend, every structure is good. But the people who work in structure, they should be best. I will not explain all because of time constraint. President, Vice President, you know all that. I will jump to Mukadam. What is Mukadam? Mukadam is Marathi word. It is called leader. It is called group leader. It is called supervisor. We have groups of Dabawalas. I am not Dabawala. I am explaining. Suppose in my group 10 Dabawalas are there. Among 10 Dabawala, 1 Dabawala will be appointed as Mukadam. And you know what is appointment of Muqaddam qualification? They are not qualified. So the man who is oldest in the group by age will be appointed as Muqaddam. Friend, Muqaddam working 20%, 30% extra, but Muqaddam will not get 1% extra income. मैंने पूछा मुकादम को, why you work extra? You don't get extra income. Qualified लोग हैं ना? Qualified लोगों को ढेर सारे questions हैं, बहुत questions हैं. What is this? What is that? पता नहीं क्या-क्या question है हमारे पास. But non-qualified people have only answers. मैं बताऊंगा आपको. जैसे मैंने question पूछा, why you work extra? This is qualified question. Now listen to non-qualified answer. Muqaddam बोलता है, पवन जी, who is Muqaddam? Muqaddam is father of the group, and father always work more than children. I should work more. That was the answer of Muqaddam. दोस्तों, किसी ने मुझे पूछा एक सेमिनार में, सर क्या इंसान ऐसा सोच सकता है? मैंने कहा भाई इंसान ही ऐसा सोच सकता है, भगवान है कहाँ है? इंसान ही सोच सकता है ऐसा. Yes, and number two, Indians can think like this. Yes, we bound to for that. We bound. We can do that. But we are not doing. Despite we are having, we are not doing. Number two, friend, पता है why Muqaddam is by oldest man? इनका culture है. मैं कंपेयर करूँगा रॉयल कॉलेज से, कहीं पर भी अगेन एप्रिसिएशन नहीं. सर ये मालकरी संस्था है, ग्रुप है, रिलीजियस है. हम इसको मराठी में वारकरी संप्रदाय बोलते हैं. सर वी आर वेरी बिग होली प्लेस इन पंढरपुर, विठ्ठल भगवान का मंदिर है. वहां पर जाते हैं तो गले में माला पहनते हैं. 95% अबाउट मालकरी. थैंक बिकॉज ऑफ माय फादर आई एम आल्सो मालकरी. पता है इसका क्या है? जो बंदा गले में पहनता है ना, he never drink, he never smoke, he never eat non-veg, because God Vichar do not likes. Same principle he brings into practice into business, because in business customer is God Vichar. Can you imagine, friends? और सर यही मैंने आपके पत्रिका में देखा. मैंने पूछा आपके सर को, मैंने कहा कि सर मैं प्योर वेजिटेरियन हूँ. बोले साहब हमारे कैंपस में नॉन वेज अलाउड ही नहीं है. फिर जब मैंने कार देखा तो मैंने पहला कार देखा कॉलेज में, कंपनी में, नॉन स्मोकिंग नॉन टोबैको जोन. माय डियर फ्रेंड, बिग हैंड ऑफ अप्लॉज टू गॉड इंस्टीट्यूट. बिलीव मी, इट्स अ ग्रेट बिगिनिंग. ग्रेट बिगिनिंग सर. हम सर आपको नमस्कार करते हैं. दोस्तों अगेन नो कमेंट्स. आपको करना करो यार. हमारे में कहा ना 5% दारू पीते होंगे, सिगरेट पीते होंगे, बट नॉट डूइंग बिजनेस अवर्स. व्हाई? दे आर नॉट अलाउड. दे आर नॉट अलाउड. पहले तो मार करिए. वी फील प्राउड. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल 5000 पीपल वर्किंग एक्सीलेंटली. कई लोग पूछते हैं सर 125 साल कैसे चलते आ रहा है? सर संस्कार को जतन कर रहे हैं. हम लोग तो संस्कार को पीछे छोड़ रहे हैं. दैट्स द रीजन. कहां पर है सर? समय बदल गया. समय नहीं बदला दोस्तों, हम बदल गए. हम बदल गए. कई स्टूडेंट्स को मैं लेक्चर देता हूं, पता नहीं वर्कशॉप करता हूं, टीचर्स के लिए, पेरेंट्स के लिए. दुख होता है कभी कभी. सर याद है ना आपको भी, शायद आप एक्सेप्ट होंगे. सर हम पहले के लोग थे जो बाप को डरते थे. आज का बाप बच्चे को डरता है. ये कहां से आ गया सर? क्या इसे क्या सर? इट इज आवर साइकोलॉजी. बिलीव मी फ्रेंड, आई स्टडीड इन मुंबई बट माय पेरेंट्स वर इन विलेज. दोस्तों फोन भी आता था ना पापा का तो पैर कांपते थे, जबकि 800 किलोमीटर दूर पापा है. क्यों? दोस्तों रिस्पेक्ट था, दिल से रिस्पेक्ट था. आपके मन में भी है बट दिल से होना चाहिए. दैट इज नॉट फॉर पापा's बेनिफिट, फॉर योर बेनिफिट, बिकॉज पापा इज वर्किंग दैट यू शुड डू समथिंग इन योर लाइफ. ही फील प्राउड इफ यू डू समथिंग. Friend, that's why this culture make all 5000 people working excellently. I'll show you how they are working. This is Mumbai local train map. Sir, in Mumbai we have monorail, metro train, local train. 3 trains हैं, but Dabala allowed only by local train because Dabala allowed to travel only in luggage compartment, and local train is only having luggage compartment. Monorail, metro train don't have luggage compartment. Number 2, their main mode of transport is local transport. Is local train. Local train. पता है दोस्तों, ये ऑल ओवर मुंबई वी हैव मोर 135 लोकल स्टेशंस. आई विल टेल यू विद एनिमेशन हाउ दिस वन मैन इज वर्किंग थ्रूआउट द डे. हमको लगता क्या है? डबाला कलेक्टिंग एंड डिलीवरिंग. अभी पता चलेगा दोस्तों, ही इज नॉट कलेक्टिंग डिलीवरिंग, ही इज कलेक्टिंग, डिलीवरिंग, रिटर्न डिलीवरी, एंड इन सप्लाई चेन ही डू लोडिंग, अनलोडिंग, सॉर्टिंग, रीसॉर्टिंग, ऑल वर्क ही डू. 9 hours mentally, physically, completely busy. Example, this man will collect 40 tiffin. 40 tiffin he will collect of those customers who are working all over Mumbai. Can one man deliver all over Mumbai? No. So what he will do? See the animation. He will bring 40 tiffin and drop at the nearest station called Vile Parle. नाम याद रखना, मैं कोडिंग में भी सेम नाम यूज करूंगा. विले पार्ले में ड्रॉप कर दिया 40 डिब्बा. विले पार्ले में कुछ और लोग खड़े हैं डिब्बे वाले. They will do sorting, resorting. This man will come down. He will unload. He will load, and he will be given second basket of 40 tiffin, which will travel from Vile Parle to Dadar. He will drop 40 tiffin at Dadar. At Dadar, he will get third job. 40 tiffin from Dadar to Grand Road. He will drop at Grand Road. अभी तक क्या हो रहा है? ये बंदा जिससे काम कर रहा है, all 5,000 working in the same manner all over Mumbai. कोई यहाँ से वहाँ से वहाँ, सारे ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं, सब delegated है. Now this man will get fourth job. He will carry 40 from Grand Road to Churchgate. Churchgate is the last destination station of Western Railway. We have Western, Central, Harbour, 3 railway routes we have. This man will drop at the last station. Now he will go by walk, on head, on shoulder, on hand, on bicycle, on cars. He will carry another 40 tiffin by road from Churchgate to Nariman Point. Nariman Point is business center. हजारों ऑफिस से लाखों लोग काम कर रहे हैं. This man will get last job. His sixth job is to deliver 40 tiffin in this express tower building. जहां पर मान लो रॉयल का ऑफिस है. 40 customers हैं. This man will deliver on first floor, 10th floor, 20th floor. All customers will get tiffin before lunch box, before lunch time. Now, when customer will eat food, this man will eat his own food, which he brings since morning with him because he cannot eat outside. It is costly. Sir, बंदे को 20 मिनट खाने को मिलता है. 20 मिनट यार. 20 minutes he will complete his lunch. He will come back. Now he will start reverse journey. Same in the way how he went in the morning. He will come in the same manner. He will collect empty tiffin from Express Tower to Nariman Point, then Churchgate, then when he comes in the evening, he will receive his morning 40 empty tiffin, which he only deliver your homes. Evening 5 o'clock is free. Oh my God. Morning 8 o'clock till evening 5 o'clock. लगता है आपको उसको समय है 5 मिनट आराम करने के लिए. क्राउडेड लोकल ट्रेन, पता नहीं कितना पसीना, कितना सामान, कितना वेट. माय गॉड. Despite evening 5 o'clock, you will found happiest moment on his face. For what purpose? He says, today's job I have done successfully. मैं खुश हूँ. अब क्वालिफाइड लोग आते हैं, बी स्कूल, इंटरनेशनल डेलीगेट्स, पता नहीं क्या क्या पूछते हैं. मुझे याद आया, एक बंदे ने पूछा, पवन जी, if developer work excellent, can he get some extra benefit? मैं डेवलपर को मैसेज दिया, ऐसा पूछा. सर क्या कुछ भी पूछता है. क्या हुआ? ध्यान से सुना उसका आंसर. उसका फीलिंग दोस्तों वही आपको सीखना है आज. उसका फीलिंग बोलता है, सर हाउ यू डेयर टू आस्क मी, सपोज यू वर्क एक्सेलेंट. सर उसको बोलना, आई वर्क एवरीडे एक्सेलेंट, नॉट सपोज. आई वर्क एवरीडे एक्सेलेंट. नंबर 2, सर हाउ यू एक्सपेक्ट, I expect extra charges. I don't want extra because for every day my customer paid me. I don't want extra. Oh my God. और हमारी नजरें एक्स्ट्रा पे टिकी है. वो एक पे फ्री हो या एक्स्ट्रा कोई क्या दे रहा है, that's it. We don't bother about regular what we get. Is it good? I think it's not good. Because you believe I am supplying from a customer, I take money for that. I should work it. And because of that, they work excellently. And if this is the working of double hours, error rate, 1 error in 16 million transactions. Oh my God. In 1 crore 60 lakhs, only 1 error. मतलब 1 करोड़ 60 लाख डिब्बे जब देते तो एक गलती होती है. वो गलती किसने बताई? फोर्स वालों ने. जब डब्बा को पता चला, बोलता है एक भी गलती नहीं, कहां से बताया तुमने? They are actually one error also, 100% वाले हैं. और जब कहा गया कि you are going to get 6 sigma, स्टोरी सुनाता हूं. Management student will also like to note for your project. In 1999, 4 people came from Delhi. That time friend, बहुत बड़े हमारे मैनेजमेंट गुरु थे, सीखे प्रहलाद साहब, सुना होगा आपने. Big man. Because of him, I think about 6 sigma. 4 people he sent to Delhi, from Delhi to Mumbai. These 4 people was doing research, but the was not knowing what is the meaning of research. जब पता चला रिसर्च का मतलब क्या है तो डब्बा खोल के बोलता है क्या रिसर्च करोगे दाल चावल है। अरे बोले हमको रिसर्च नहीं करना है, हम लोग आपकी सर्विस को रिसर्च करेंगे, 4 दिन घूमेंगे आपके साथ। 4 दिन ट्रैवल किया। एट द एंड ऑफ 4th डे दे प्रिपेयर अ प्रोजेक्ट, वेंट बैक टू दिल्ली। आफ्टर 3 months दे फोन फ्रॉम दिल्ली, डब्बा यू गॉट 6 sigma। डब्बा बोलता आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज 6 sigma। बोलता मैन इट्स अ वेरी बिग ऑनर। बोले व्हाट टू डू? अरे इट इज फॉर यू। डब्बा तो ओके सेंड, नो प्रॉब्लम। बोलता सेंड। पता है व्हाट इज 6 sigma? मैं पूरा बता नहीं पाऊंगा। 6 sigma इन शॉर्ट वो सम्मान है, वो सर्टिफिकेशन है, उनको दिया जाता है जो अपने काम में गलती नहीं करते। इन शॉर्ट फॉरगेट रूल्स। तो डबोला टोल्ड ओ इट्स आई डोंट नो। तो डबोला को बोला दिल्ली से, बोले प्लीज डबोला ऑन सो डेट वी आर कमिंग, इट्स अ वेरी बिग ऑनर, प्लीज कम, डोंट फॉरगेट टू कम। डबोला टोल्ड ओके, बट ऑन द डे ऑफ ऑनर दे वर नॉट नोइंग हाउ मच बिग 6 sigma। ये बंदा तो बोलता बहुत बड़ा सम्मान है, इनको क्या पता कितना बड़ा सम्मान है 6 sigma, यू डोंट नो, बट बहुत बड़ा बोला इसके लिए 16 डबोला वेंट टू कलेक्ट बड़ा सम्मान। एंड व्हेन दे हैव गिवन दे ऑनर्ड विद सर्टिफिकेशन। वो रघुनाथ मेहती उसमें प्रेसिडेंट बोलते हैं क्या है? बोले 6 sigma है। साहब पीछे डबोला बोलता है साहब 4 टैक्सी का पैसा बर्बाद किया। It is useless because they are not working for 6 sigma. They are working for customer satisfaction. That's why they got 6 sigma. That's why they got 6 sigma. Can you imagine, guys? वो कहाँ जाता है ना? हमारे पुराने लोग कहते थे सर, मांगे मिले ना भीख और बिन मांगे मिले मोती। काम तो करो यार, करने के बाद मिलेगा, रिकॉग्निशन मिलेगा फ्रेंड्स, मिलेगा, समय लगता है यार। इनको कब मिला? आफ्टर 100 years। कैन इमेजिन? इट मीन्स दोज हु वर्क हार्ड, आई एम सॉरी टू से, वी फील प्राउड दे वर्क, बट दे आर नो मोर नाउ। तो डू यू फील दे आर नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड? माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू मे नॉट बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड, योर वर्क विल बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड। इट्स आवर एक्सपीरियंस, इट टेक्स टाइम, इट टेक्स टाइम। यहाँ पर दोस्तों कुछ महीने कुछ साल काम नहीं करते, बोलते हैं मुझे कुछ मिला ही नहीं यार। अरे हाउ यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट दैट? इट टेक्स टाइम, माय डियर फ्रेंड। I came to know Royal College maybe 7 years old something sir, I think। फ्रेंड्स ये कितने 100 साल चला रहे हैं, तब जाके नाम हुआ है। हमारा 10 साल में, 20 साल में, जब भी होगा 50 साल, जो भी, नो प्रॉब्लम। People who have founded the organization, now it's our duty to take it forward। यहाँ पर ऐसे ही है, because of that they work, and that too without technology। Can you imagine? They don't have technology, they don't have technology, do not। You know friend, nowadays of course only one technology Dabala is using, mobile। ध्यान से सुनना, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सर। दिस Dabalas are not allowed to speak to customer because customer busy in office, they cannot speak to customer। इमरजेंसी है तो they can speak to customers family but not to customer। पता है बंदा क्या बोलता है मोबाइल होने के बाद? बोले सर दिस डिवाइस इज नॉट यूजफुल फॉर कस्टमर, सो आई विल नॉट यूज मोबाइल फॉर 9 hours। बंदा यूज ही नहीं करता है। सीधा डेडिकेशन, सीधा कस्टमर इज गॉड। He will not use mobile for 9 hours because I am the customer। जो भी काम है वो करूँगा, I will not use mobile। Means technology is there, but he will use wherever it is required, not for work. He will not use। I agree when money is important. Dabala also, if you see how much they are charging, just 600 per month. If you remember, Vile Parle to Nariman Point and Nariman Point to back Vile Parle, कितना लंबा सफर है यार। सर पर डे कितना होता है? 20-21 रुपया। संडे पकड़ लिया तो भी 20-21 रुपया पर डे। मैंने बात बोला व्हाई यू चार्ज सो लेस? व्हाट ही आंसर्ड मी, सर ऑल माय कस्टमर्स, माय कस्टमर आर दोज हु ट्रैवल बाय लोकल ट्रेन, माय कस्टमर आर दोज हु वांट टू ईट होम कुक्ड फूड बिकॉज आउटसाइड फूड इज कॉस्टली फॉर देम। दबाला बोलता है इफ आई चार्ज मोर सर दे विल डिस्कंटिन्यू माय सर्विसेज। मैंने पूछा ग्रेट यार कितना कमाता है? बोलता है सर ऑन 12,000 पर मंथ। एक्चुअली 15,000 तक कमा लेते हैं, एवरेज इट कम्स टू 12,000। मैंने बोला बस सर एक्स्ट्रा कमाता हूँ। अर्ली मॉर्निंग लेट इवनिंग, अर्ली मॉर्निंग दे डिलीवर मिल्क बैग, दे डिलीवर जूस बॉटल, दे डिलीवर न्यूज़पेपर्स, लेट इवनिंग दे विल ड्राइव ऑटो रिक्शा टैक्सी और 5,000 और कमाता है। मैंने पूछा है इज इट गुड, कैन बी हैप्पीली इन 12-15,000 मुंबई? बंदा बोलता है साहब मुंबई में जीने के लिए 15,000 बहुत है, चैन करना है तो 15 लाख भी कम है। ऐसा होता है, ऐसा होता है। So it doesn't mean they should not earn more, they should earn more, no doubt. But they do not compare their income with other people. And other people compare भी करता है तो किससे compare करता है? Qualified लोगों से। Sir, young Indians may be knowing, sir may be knowing, Sir, in Mumbai, graduate person could not get anyhow more than 7 to 10,000 rupees. Impossible. Postgraduate को मिलता है 10,000. Forget about some people get, that's different, but normal I'm telling you. So in the state of Maharashtra, I don't know about Assam. In the state of Maharashtra, sorry teacher friends, contractual teacher salary in Maharashtra is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 for contractual teachers. Double graduate. Double knows because I'm educationist. Banda bolta hai, sir, teacher earning 5,000. I am earning 12,000. He feels proud to tell I am richer than your teacher. I'm happy. I'm happy. Can you imagine this? What is my message? Compare yourself, don't compare with others. और यहाँ दोस्तों पैकेज की बात होती है. बोलूं प्रभा सर? बोलना. हमारे मुंबई में ऐसा होता है, आसाम में क्या होता है मालूम नहीं. Sir, when they come to institute to take admission, father and son both come. दो क्वेश्चन कॉमन है. बच्चा पूछता है, सर यू हैव प्लेसमेंट? हम लोग बोलते हैं 100% मेरी कंपनी में. पर बोलना है ना झूठ. 100% खुश. बाप पूछता है, सर कितना पैकेज मिलेगा मेरे बेटे को? एडमिशन लिया भी नहीं, पास होगा फेल होगा मालूम भी नहीं, तो पैकेज कितना होगा? हम तो एक्सपर्ट है, कॉलेज चलाते हैं, सर 10 लाख पैकेज, अच्छा 10 लाख, टेक द एडमिशन. Is it good, my dear friend? Friend, the best experience your father, your grandfather, ask them. I am not comparing the generation gap. But ask them, have they taken admission, have they taken education for package? My dear friend, चलो ठीक है, पैकेज मिलने पे काम करते हैं बंदे. ये मैं भी करेंगे, आसाम वाले आप, मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ. So couple of months before, one student came to me with sweet box. I understood placement. I asked him, what is your package? बंदा बोलता है सर 11 लाख. मैं बहुत खुश हो गया यार. 11 लाख, very good. I asked second question to my student, when you are joining, बच्चा बोलता है not joining. Why? Searching for 12 lakh. Despite the fact, this was, ध्यान से सुना दोस्तों, मैं कहा ना, मैं आपके पापा की तरह बोल रहा हूँ, as a speaker बोल रहा हूँ, as a teacher बोल रहा हूँ. और उसको ध्यान में रखना, believe me, you'll be one of the best. 10 साल बाद याद करना मुझे. Is it good? Despite his first job, he is not accepting 11 lakh, he wants 12 lakh. Is it good? दोस्तों काम तो हो रहा है, 12 लाख या 20 लाख मांगो ना, लेकिन मांगने से ताकत चाहिए ना. Whenever you are going to face interview, शायद कर सको तो करना, सब कुछ पूछना, पैसा मत पूछना. बोले सर मेरी बोली अभी मत लगाओ, मेरा काम देखने के बाद लगाना. Believe me, you will get more than what you expect. This is my experience. काम तो हो रहा है. और कॉर्पोरेट तो बहुत भली बात जानता है. कॉर्पोरेट अब क्या नाम बोले इसको, आई डोंट नो. आई वेंट टू गोवा, कुछ साल पहले की बात है, तो मुझे वो पता नहीं चला क्या बोलना चाहते, बट HR मैनेजर मुझे कोने में लिया. IT कंपनी थी. बोले पवन जी जरा ज्यादा बोलना रिटेंशन. मैंने क्या होता है, उसने मुझे समझाया. अच्छा ऐसा होता है क्या? मैं तो बोल दूंगा डोंट वरी. बोले मेरा नाम मत लेना. ठीक. ड्यूरिंग सेशन आई टोल्ड, कॉर्पोरेट वाले थे सब, पता नहीं 210 कंपनी के लोग थे, बिग पीपल. आई टोल्ड when it comes, I came to know about retention. How it is good? You say you leave the company, this company for 3 years, that is for 2 years. तो किसी ने पूछा मुझे लास्ट में कि सर कैन यू टेल अबाउट डब्बावाला? मैंने सर इन डब्बावाला केस in 125 years not a single person left organization. There is 100% retention, 0% attrition. Can you imagine this? Because Dabawala believe my company is my family, is my family. यहाँ पर हम लोग तो अपने फैमिली को फैमिली नहीं मान रहे, कंपनी को क्या मान लिया? Is it true, my dear friend? कि आप 3 साल 4 साल किसी एक कंपनी में काम करोगे आपको मिलेगा? दोस्तों कई सालों तक काम करो, इज्जत भी कुछ चीज है. आई एग्री पैसा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, नो डाउट, बट ओनली मनी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. फ्रेंड्स समय लगता है. बिलीव मी फ्रेंड्स, whenever you get opportunity, please grab the opportunity, show your involvement, show your caliber. Believe me, you will get more than what you expect, because अच्छे लोग मिलते कहाँ है कंपनी को आजकल. You prove yourself, you are good. Can chairman sir will dare to kick out one good teacher? दोस्तों मिलते ही नहीं अच्छे टीचर आज, कहाँ मिलते हैं? तो nobody will dare to kick out, my dear friends. you will be one of the monopoly in your work because you should feel yes, you are the master. You work like that, you will get it. You will get it. Money is not important. I know important. Dabawala also. Sir, we want 1 month extra payment. 1 month extra bonus. I am sorry to say, some customer refused to pay bonus. I asked Dabawala, this customer not paid bonus, why don't you continue? Banda bolta hai, sir, my customer is God. How I can stop to eat food to my God? I told my God, your God has not paid bonus. बंदा बोलता है साहब से बोनस नहीं दिया, 12 महीने का पगार दिया ना। बंदा बोलता है 1 महीने के बोनस के लिए डिब्बा तोड़ दूंगा, बंद कर दूंगा, तो 12 महीने का खो दूंगा। What you sacrifice 1 month or 12 months? बंदा बोलता है 1 month. Because of that, in 125 years, no strike record, never went on strike, proved work is worship, customer is God. Customer is God. क्यों इंसान नहीं है, इनको पैसा नहीं चाहिए। मैंने कहा शुरू में दोस्तों, अनुभव से आदमी सीखता है। Sir, you must be knowing, in 1982, there was a textile mill workers strike in Mumbai. My dear friend, 400,000 workers went on strike in 1982. Till today, they are on strike. 33 years. वापस आए नहीं। सर कितने मजदूर मर गए, कितने मजदूर के परिवार बर्बाद हो गए। वीडियो ले रहे, खुला बोल रहा हूँ, it's a fact. I'm sharing. That's it. कितने मजदूर परिवार बर्बाद हो गए सर? Who is responsible? Who is nobody, my dear friends? Themselves. सर इतना ही नहीं, हजारों मजदूर were taking delivery from Dabawala because in 1982 worker went on strike. In 1982, 600 Dabawala remain unemployed because you are not going to job to whom I should supply. Oh my God! बंदा बोलता है साहब हमने अपनी मौत को करीब से देखा है. No strike. They message us, if you are not happy, you can remain absent. You cannot remain discontinued. You cannot. Because work is worship. I know differences are there, disputes are there. कहा नहीं यार, तुम्हारे घर में है, रॉयल में है, कंपनी में differences are there, डब्बा वालों में भी है. Despite difference and dispute, in 125 years, no police case, no court case. आज तक नहीं हुआ, आज तक नहीं. सर क्यों? सर ध्यान से सुनो, बहुत important है. You can use in your business or in your college. Sir, every 15th of the month they conduct meeting. और मीटिंग कब शुरू होती है? वर्किंग आवर्स के बाद, वर्किंग आवर्स में नहीं. और कितनी देर मीटिंग चलती है? डिपेंड. मीटिंग में कौन आता है? जिनके झगड़े हैं, जिनके डिफरेंसेस वो आते हैं, दैट्स इट. और पता है दोस्तों, कभी कभी हाथापाई होती है, झगड़े हैं, बट बिफोर मीटिंग गेट्स ओवर, प्रेसिडेंट वर्ड इज फाइनल. बिकॉज एवरी Dabawala believed my president is my judge. I will accept his order. I can difference, I can fight within. I cannot fight outside. दोस्तों क्या कैंपस में चाहे तो झगड़ लो, बाहर झगड़ेंगे तो कॉलेज का नाम बदनाम होगा. अरे अपना नाम बदनाम होगा, हमने फीस दी, हमारा नाम है. बिकॉज ऑफ स्टूडेंट कॉलेज इज देयर, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. आई थिंक लाइक दिस. ये हमारा कॉलेज बॉस. वी कैन नॉट डिफरेंस आवरसेल्फ आउटसाइड. झगड़े घर में होते, बाहर नहीं. ऐसा बंदा बोलता है. पता है दोस्तों क्यों? मेरा कहने का मकसद एक ही है, वर्क सेटिस्फैक्शन. We believe if you are working with satisfaction, then and then you can satisfy your customers. तुम खुद ही satisfied नहीं हो, how you can satisfy your customers? And how you come to know customer satisfaction? I'll tell you Dabawala examples, very good examples. दो तीन example देता हूँ. I asked one customer, can you tell about Dabawala? बंदा बोलता है सर very good. मतलब क्या very good? खाना तुम्हारा डिब्बा तुम्हारा सीधा पहुंचा देता है. कस्टमर बोलता है सर they are not supplying only food. Then give example. बंदा बोलता है सर when your father told me, sir sometime when I leave 6 o'clock, customer forget his mobile, his spectacle at home. Then 9 o'clock customer wife put husband's mobile in tiffin and by Dabawala she deliver in office. You will call Dabawala gives value added services. How you feel Dabawala? Bata bolta sir again, they are so honest. The honest, how they can be dishonest? Suno example. Customer बोलता है sir, where I get salary, customer is afraid to carry salary in pocket. Why? It can be stolen in crowded local train. तो बंदा क्या करता है? खाना खाने के बाद अपनी पगार खाली डिब्बे में रखता है. Dabawala delivers salary and tiffin safely in the hands of wife in the evening. Oh my God! Despite the fact tiffin is unlocked, they never open tiffin. Because of that, you dare to send cash. We are not there to send DD through courier. यहाँ पैसा किसका है? सर पैसा कोई बंदा तो सोना चांदी और कोई मम्मी तो लव लेटर पता नहीं क्या क्या भेजती है। लव लेटर एग्जाम्पल दूंगा मैं, बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है, बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे आप। बट मैसेज है उसके पीछे। मेरा मैसेज क्या है? इफ इन बिजनेस, इन कॉलेज, एनीवेयर, इवन इन होम, एट होम, if you give services consistently, some or the other day somebody will believe you are God for him. Consistently you should give. ऐसे किस्सा हुआ, एक कस्टमर ने बोला, बोले कौन जी? डबल मेरे भगवान है। बोला क्या हो गया यार? बोले साहब कुछ दिन पहले वो कस्टमर का उसके बीवी का झगड़ा हो गया। अब आप जानते हो इंडियन हस्बैंड हाउ दे फाइट, एंड द क्वालिटी ऑफ इंडियन हस्बैंड, टूटेगा लेकिन झुकेगा नहीं, बीवी के सामने तो कतई नहीं। He cut down but never bend down. Indian husband. Same thing happened next day morning. Angry young man, Indian husband, told his wife, "Divorce, I will not come back home." He went to office. Angry young man. 9 o'clock, Dabawala came home. Indian wife, delay ke manta nahi. Despite dispute, she delivered tiffin to Dabawala, and Dabawala delivery office. In lunch time, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man become the hungry young man. So, he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on top of the tiffin, written message from wife. Oh my beloved husband, I love you Lord. Forget all of the food. जरा बीवी का मैसेज पहुंचाने का काम नहीं करते। अब स्टोरी का अगला किस्सा सुनना बहुत अच्छा है। अब खाना खाने के बाद हस्बैंड को शर्म तो आती है। After eating food, husband brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin, returned home to the wife. बंदा बोलता है मैं भी तुझसे बोलता आता तो शाम को मिलेंगे भूल जाएंगे। इसका मतलब आप आंसर दोगे मुझे, 2 आत्माओं का मिलन करने वाला। दोस्तों ऐसे बिजनेस सब जगह होते हैं, सब जगह। आई डोंट नो फैकल्टीज व्हाट एक्सपीरियंस, मुझे तो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है। 28 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ, 29 ईयर्स, 29 ईयर्स। कभी कभी दिन में 14 घंटे पढ़ाता हूँ। मुझे आप 4 घंटा बोलो, मैं एक पानी का बूंद भी नहीं पीऊंगा दोस्तों, जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है। थैंक्स ऑलमाइटी गॉड, ही इज गिविंग मी स्ट्रेंथ। स्ट्रेंथ आप बनाते हैं, भगवान थोड़ी देता है। यू मेक योरसेल्फ स्ट्रांग। सर पता नहीं कहाँ का यूके बीके पता नहीं कहाँ मिलते स्टूडेंट, they touch feet and they says, sir because of you my life is there. मैंने बोला यार पैसा लेके पढ़ाया था, फ्री थोड़ी पढ़ाया था। Am I right? इसके बावजूद स्टूडेंट बोलता है सर you are my God. क्यों? Because that teacher might have taught consistently and because of that student respect afterward also. दोस्तों समय लगता है, बहुत करना पड़ता है। ऐसा हर बिजनेस में होता है। What it requires your attitude, approach and discipline. हमारा इसमें I told you, no approach taking smoking to the business hours. सर तो डब्बा वाला स्मोकिंग करते पकड़ा गया, 500 रुपया फाइन है। दारू पीते पकड़ा गया, 1000 रुपया फाइन है। 1000 फाइन है। सर कैब इज कंपल्सरी। हमारी कैब मुंबई की, द कॉस्ट ऑफ कैब इज 40 रुपीज। इफ यू डोंट वियर 50 रुपीज फाइन। व्हाट रूल? फ्रेंड आई कैब इज कंपल्सरी, नो लीव विदाउट प्रायर नोटिस। If any Dabawala remain absent without intimation, 1000 fine, 1000 rupees fine. अभी इमोशनली क्वालिफाइड लोग आते हैं, किसी बंदे ने पूछा क्वालिफाइड 20 कुल पीपल विदाउट इंटीमेशन, बोलता डबावाला सपोज यू सडनली सिक व्हाट यू विल डू? डबावाला बोलता है क्या व्हाट यू डू? व्हाट इज द आंसर? लॉन्ग आंसर बोलता है सर इफ आई एम सडनली सिक आई विल इन्फॉर्म सडनली, दैट्स इट। मुझे याद आया मेरे रिसर्च में, if some Dabawala got sick midnight 2 o'clock, Dabawala wife informed Mukaddam midnight 2 o'clock. What should we inform? Sir, my husband is sick, he will not come tomorrow. Midnight 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock she informs. मैंने जाके पूछा मैम why you went 3 o'clock 2 o'clock? सुनना आंसर बीवी का भी। बोलता है सर 10 minutes डिसिप्लिन, हर दिन बीमार थोड़ी गिरता है कोई, कभी कभी होता है। नंबर 4, सर आई शुड परफॉर्म फॉर माय हस्बैंड वर्क, दैट्स इट। कैन यू इमेजिन? सी द फीलिंग ऑफ होल फैमिली। दोस्तों ऐसे नहीं होता है काम, बहुत और कुछ नहीं, उतने ही समय में करना है, एक्स्ट्रा नहीं, घर पर थोड़ी काम करता है, राइट अवर, दैट्स इट। दोस्तों वीडियो क्लिप बता रहा हूं मैं, आवाज देना. See how they are carrying 65 kg weight.
The Mumbai Dabbawalas are a close-knit group of 5,000 people of stamina, values and ethics. They are engaged in the business of collecting tiffin boxes filled with homemade food from different houses and distributing them at the workplaces of the earning members of these families in the pre-noon and returning empty boxes to their respective houses in the afternoon. They move 200,000 such lunches to 200,000 people working in different organizations.
Can you imagine? 75 years old man still working. It means there is no retirement age in the business. They believe we can work till last breath because they believe themselves are the soldiers of Shivaji Maharaj. So they feel we are strong. Very simple thing. दोस्तों मेरा भी मानना है, if you are mentally fit, you are physically fit. You should mentally fit. हम लोग अपने आप को कमजोर करते हैं. We are not, but we feel ourselves. Despite we are strong. Friend, I told you, local train is main mode of transport, but from your residence to station and station to office, second mode of transport is bicycle. आपने सुना होगा टीवी और इस पर भी 22-23 days before, TVS Moped started to give moped to Dabbawalas. Now I think in future, not maybe all, but many or some of them will use moped so they can faster the service from residence to station and station to office. Otherwise, without local train, they cannot deliver. Friends, if you see the coding system, I am going fast, try to concentrate, try to listen. So I told you, coding will go on top of your tiffin. Because tiffin should be placed like this, it should be visible. What is VLP? VLP stands for Residential Area of Customer, Vile Parle. E stands for Dabbawala, who is going to collect tiffin from Vile Parle. 3 stands for Working Area of Customer, that is Nariman Point. E number ka banda will pick tiffin from Vile Parle, and this tiffin will travel from Vile Parle to Nariman Point. During this traveling of tiffin from Vile Parle to Nariman Point, it will mix at least 5-6 times during traveling. But this tiffin will reach at Nariman Point. When this will reach at Nariman Point, who will pick this tiffin? Mr. Nine Dabbawala. He will pick tiffin, he will deliver EX for Express Tower. 12 stands for 12th floor, because this customer's office is on 12th floor of Express Tower. He will drop at floor. Why not on your table? Because you are not allowing him to come to table because of security. He will drop at floor. If your college says at the gate, he will drop at the gate. As you allow, that's it. Without name address, tiffin is delivered. Without name address. Oh my God. I know some people must be looking Mr. D'Souza. Who is Mr. D'Souza? Customer is Mr. D'Souza. And who returned this name? Mr. D'Souza himself. Because Mr. Customer D'Souza could not recognize his own tiffin, he writes name. It happens. I will tell you how they write coding. It's a simple piece of paper, simple matchstick become the brush. देखो, आवाज. Simple matchstick become the brush. Simple matchstick. They are doing coding.
Has been coded ELC23 MP10 on the top, and Q3 is scribbled below.
Can you imagine, friends, what this man is doing? So when you clean tiffin at home, sometimes our coding is not visible. If some Dabbawala comes to know coding is not visible, he will remove color from pocket. With finger, he will overwrite. He will not say, it is not my job. He will do the job. क्यों? करना है तो करना है. कोई excuse नहीं. I will do it. I will do it. Great यार. दोस्तों मैंने पूछा इस बंदे को, क्या है इसी योर जॉब? बोलता है पवन सर, किसका जॉब नहीं पूछना. ये मैंने देखा तो मेरा काम है. नंबर 2, 9 hours. मैं घर पर नहीं कर रहा हूँ. 9 hours I'm doing. Can you imagine? Such a great feeling. I'll show 3 video clips continuously because of time constraint. देखना how they do loading, unloading, luggage compartment, traveling, running local train. देखना आवाज.
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days on time, thanks to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. The shelf life of these lunches are just 4 to 5 hours. Therefore, watch the spontaneous sorting. Everyone is picking up his tiffins as per his delivery areas. Tiffins for areas with more density are transported on carts collectively. Some tiffins are on bicycles and some are personally taken by hand. From here, the tiffins move. One tiffin box shifts hands in transit at least 6 times before it reaches its consumer in his office. The same is the case in its return journey as an empty tiffin.
Imagine how they are working, standing near the gate, ready local train. They are working because they are working excellently. Many documents made by UTV, MTV, A to Z TV have been documented about that. They work excellently. So many achievements they got. 6 Sigma, Guinness Book of World Record, registered. Even Dabala received an ISO certificate without application. They don't know how to apply it, they don't have certificate. पता नहीं ऐसे कितने हैं इस स्मार्ट प्रिविलेज ऑनर आई डेंट पीएचडी ऑन दबावला एंड आई एम रनिंग मुंबई दबावला एजुकेशन सेंटर लास्ट परमिट आई डेंट एट द एंड अदरवाइज यू मस्ट बी नोइंग प्रिंस चार्ज केम टू विजिट दबावला सर व्हेन प्रिंस चार्ज सपोज टू कम 6 months before British consul in India, Mr. Jitendra Jain phoned Dabawala, Prince Charles want to visit you. As usual, Dabawala told, I don't know who's Prince Charles. Consular told, man, he's the king of London. London के राजा है. Dabawala बोलता है, लंदन के राजा है. Okay, we will allow him, no problem. Dabawala allow him. But with 2 conditions. Dabawala condition. Number 1, बोलता है, sir, we will have only 20 minutes. हम बोले 20 मिनट देंगे Dabawala. Dabawala बोलता है, क्यों हम busy है? Number 2, we cannot go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Because we cannot go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles to come to us. हाँ मुझे दिवाली गिफ्ट मिला होगा शायद. मैं समझ गया सर के एक्सप्रेशन से कि सर 5-10 मिनट ज्यादा लो. ऐसे दिखाएगा सर कुछ. और थैंक यू सर. मैंने कहा ना दिवाली गिफ्ट मिला है. सर बोले सर बोला चिंता मत करो. दोस्तों सॉरी अगेन रॉयल स्पेशलिटी. मैंने बहुत कम चेयरमैन देखे. चेयरमैन तो उठने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट होते हैं सर बैठने में इंटरेस्ट है. Friends, can you imagine? They told we cannot go to Prince Charles. मैंने पढ़ा, मैंने वही बोला सर बोल रहे it's going excellent. Never heard such speaker. Please carry on. You can speak for कितने भी मिनट. सर थैंक यू बोलते हैं भगवान देता है चप्पल मार के देता. अब तो उसको बोलने का नशा है मुझे. क्या करें दोस्तों. सर याद है, सॉरी मैं डाइवर्ट कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा. एक समय था दोस्तों, मैं 15 रुपए 1 घंटे से पढ़ाता था मुंबई में जब गांव से आया था. हमारे मुंबई में महाराष्ट्र में क्लॉक आवर रेट था 15 रुपीज पर क्लॉक आवर. दोस्तों आज में कितना पैसा लोग देते मैं अमाउंट बोल नहीं पाऊंगा. लेकिन बिलीव में दोस्तों यंग इंडियंस को तो पता है कुछ यहाँ के, लेकिन अहमदाबाद के, बड़ौदा के कुछ यंग इंडियंस मेरे स्कूल में आए दोस्तों. मैंने कहा ना दोस्तों कितना पैसा मिलता है कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है. बट बिलीव मी सर, ये स्पीकर के जरिए जो भी मुझे लेक्चर की फीस मिलती है आज तक 1 रुपया घर पे लेके नहीं गया. सारा पैसा एजुकेशन और डिप्राइव्ड अंडर दबावला चिल्ड्रन खर्च करता है. क्यों दोस्तों, आई एम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टीचर. आई एम रनिंग, I teach accounts in my life and I'm one of the best. हाँ पैसा मिलता है. End of the day पैसा चाहिए कितना. Anyway, thank you sir. Friends, second question back. Dabawala told we will not go to Prince Charles. Prince Charles should come to us. Why? Because we don't go with Prince Charles because of time constraint. तो कॉन्स्टेबल कहाँ आना है? बोले चर्चगेट फुटपाथ पर आना है. दबावला Prince Charles फुटपाथ पर बोला है. When Prince Charles came to know, he told, oh, they speak like this, I will come, no problem, I will come. He came. Oh my God. Can you imagine? From that day, all over the globe, Dabawala were famous because Prince Charles came to visit. ये हमारे भारत की खासियत है. दवा योगा जो भी हो, बाहर जाके आता तो फेमस हो गया हम लोग. कैसे हुआ? And then we organize these things. Then couple of years after, you must be knowing Prince Charles going to marry. Dabawala came to know Prince Charles की शादी है. They purchased some gift for Prince Charles. सबसे पहले टर्बन परचेस किया. फिर नेक्स्ट डे मीटिंग में बात हुई. Dabawala बोलता है, एक बंदा बोलता है, सर भाभी के लिए क्या लेंगे? Prince Charles को भाभी बोलते हैं, because he feel as a friend. Then they purchased चप्पल, साड़ी, somebody sponsored मंगलसूत्र. Nobody know how to send. Dabawala don't know. In media after 3 days come in the news, Dabawala want to send gift to Prince Charles. they don't know how to send. ये न्यूज पढ़कर थर्ड डे सारे पूरे वाले कंपनी ऑफिस में आ गए. We will send, don't worry. Kapil Puria sent the gift. Sir, after that, Dabawala got invitation for marriage. जब मैरिज की डेट पता चली, ध्यान से सुनना, आप मानते होंगे, हमारे महाराष्ट्र में बहुत ज्यादा मानते हैं. शादी का दिन जो तय हुआ उस दिन अमावस्या थी. डबोला पागल है, अमावस्या को शादी करते हैं. इंडियन कल्चर इट इज नॉट गुड टू डू मैरिज ऑन अमावस्या. तो हमारे विले पाल में बहुत बड़ा सन्यास आश्रम है, बहुत बड़ा मंदिर है, बहुत बड़ा. ये वहां पर कीर्तन भजन करते हैं. बिलीव मी फ्रेंड, they invited me and my wife also, and we done puja for this gift, so that Princess should have second marriage. सर तो अच्छे से हो जाए मैरिज. That's it. कुछ दिनों बाद पता चला, जाके देखना गूगल पर, Pope was died. Pope expired. Because the Pope expired, Princess marriage postponed by 1 day. Dabawala told because of puja. I am sharing this, my dear friends. मेरा बहुत बड़ा मकसद है शेयरिंग के पीछे. ये तो लाइफ स्टोरी नो डाउट, but friend, respect toward that man who helped them just to touch their business. That's it. मेरा मैसेज है, हम मैसेज देते हैं कि जीवन में आपको जो कभी भी थोड़ा सा ही मदद करे, हेल्प करे, जिंदगी भर भूलना नहीं. दोस्तों, you should take care of it. Because of that, you might have survived, you might have taken a lot of benefit. I don't know, that you should have. Then 3 days before, they started to for the marriage. फिर जाने के 3 दिन पहले they are preparing. बंदे का फोन आता है. बोले कौन सा सुना क्या? बोला क्या होगा? बोले बुरी खबर है. बोले क्या होगा? बोले सर ये पिंजास की दूसरी शादी है. तुमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? नहीं सर, आज इंडियन कल्चर दूसरी शादी अच्छी नहीं है ना, तो कैन वी गो? बोला Dabawala, you should go because Dabawala I told you received invitation for the first time. For Dabawala this is first marriage. Dabawala told for our first marriage. Now we will go. See how they think. Friends, पता नहीं कितने किस्से ऐसे हैं, but you must be knowing. Man was talking, sir was talking. Prince Charles came to visit Dabawala. After that, Richard Branson came. You know what is Richard Branson? When he came, Mr. Branson traveled with us in local train luggage compartment, and he won one photo with Dabawala. Because Mr. Branson planned for photo, Mr. Branson brought his own tiffin from London with Virgin logo. I remember I gave my cup to Mr. Branson, and Mr. Branson told media people, I will place this photo in my office and I will tell my people, work like Mumbai Dabawala. That's why I want this photo. He was telling media people. Can you imagine the impact of Indian management? We are so great. We are so great. ऐसे तो कई किस्से दोस्तों. ये हमारा सर यूके में गया था मैं. Thanks. I saw in Assam also. In the morning I saw many principal teachers I met of your institute. कोई कमेंट्स नहीं दोस्तों. बट जब मैं लंदन गया सर, me my wife was there. Sir, because I was Indian speaker among 210 countries, all over auditorium, because my speaker was there. They display sari all over the auditorium, and English maid came in sari. The impact of Indian culture in London, in India, you know better. In London, I know how impact of that. दोस्तों, हम इसके एक्सपर्ट हैं संस्कार में, संस्कृति में. जब कभी कभी कुछ होता है तो मैं बोलता हूँ, हमारे लेडी प्रधानमंत्री थी, लेडी राष्ट्रपति थी, याद है दोस्तों? आई थिंक दे आर परफॉर्मिंग ऑलवेज इन सारी. नो कमेंट्स, आई एम जस्ट प्रेजेंटिंग आवर कल्चर. फ्रेंड्स, वी गॉट मेनी एक्सपीरियंसेस. ऐसे तो कई किस्से हैं. मतलब शबन आफरी, व्हेन आई वाज डिलीवरिंग टू IBM, आई वाज गिवन सब्जेक्ट टू मोटिवेट ऑडियंस बिकॉज ऑल वर फीमेल ऑडियंस, एंड Shabana told you should tell them how balance work and home. See how people work and how the people motivates. It's our privilege all over we deliver. ये सारे young Indians यहाँ आए, पता नहीं कितने जगह दिया सर मैंने. Of course next time I will have royal photo also in my presentation, but we do social commitment also. Sir, we deliver many social messages even in December because of World's AIDS Day. We work 10 days in Mumbai to make awareness of HIV/AIDS because we have social commitment. दोस्तों, हर एक बंदा 50 रुपीज भगवान को देता है पूजा करने के लिए, प्लस 50 रुपीज फॉर धर्मशाला. आळंदी, जेजुरी, भीमाशंकर, पंढरपुर, महाराष्ट्र में 4 जगह से धर्मशाला चलाते हैं ये. because in Dharmashala you should go and take food and shelter. They contribute 15 rupees per month. Can you imagine this? Because they feel if I earn from my customer, I should spend for my customers, my people. That's it. That feeling is there. Friend, it's my privilege. Even स्वच्छता अभियान ये आप देखोगे आप वायर का तो आपको प्रोजेक्ट है. हम भी बहुत गर्व है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने हमारा नाम लिया मुंबई डब्बावाला.
मुंबई के डिब्बे वाले जो भोजन के डब्बा बनता है बहुत बड़ा संगठन है और एक समर्पित संगठन. मैं उन सबको भी निमंत्रित करता हूं कि वे भी इस काम में हमारा हाथ बताएं.
We feel proud. We are doing Swachhata Abhiyan, Swachhata Express every Saturday, Sunday in Mumbai. Sir, every Saturday, Sunday. Like the young Indians also doing. समय नहीं है, but see, all over friends, all wherever we get opportunity, we do all this commitment, maybe Daryandi, maybe other things, 15 August, 26 January, we are doing. Not only this, when declared that yoga is an international day, from that day, every Sunday, we teach 1 hour yoga all over Mumbai, जहां जहां पर समय मिलता है. सर मैसेज क्या दे रहा हूं? We are not at all related to any political party. सवाल ही नहीं. Not at all. But for nation, whatever good thing is there, we are doing. We are doing. Friends, we feel proud. We got this opportunity in the maybe whatever the ways are there. Friends, समय बढ़ा के दिया मुझे. एक 10 मिनट और लूंगा. Whatever he has extended. ध्यान से सुनना. एक और स्टोरी है. We feel so. Number 2, friends, when we work like this, now last 4 years I am researching on paper wala. Sir, जैसे 5000 डब्बे वाला है, वैसे 50,000 पेपर वाला है. मुंबई डिलीवरी बॉयज. आपके असम में भी होगा. Friends, among 40,000 are students. So media people must be knowing over here. In Mumbai, among 40,000 students, sir, 32,000 school children. वीडियो बताऊंगा आपको मैं. School children, 32,000 delivering newspapers in Mumbai. Out of 365 days, paper wala get only 5 days holiday. हमको तो CL, PL, दिवाली, पता नहीं कितनी वैकेशन, कितनी छुट्टी है, फिर भी कम पड़ती है. और गलती से एक छुट्टी संडे को आ गया तो पता नहीं कितना कोसते हैं. फ्रेंड, इमोशनली बोल रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकली बोल रहा हूँ, प्लीज. फ्रेंड, वी शुड, माय डियर फ्रेंड, वी शुड. ओनली 5 days हॉलिडे सर पेपर वाला. कैन इमेजिन. दोस्तों, एक किस्सा ऐसा हुआ, ध्यान से सुनना. बारिश हो, बम ब्लास्ट हो, राइट्स हो, कुछ भी हो, पेपर घर पर आता है. Am I right? सर, इनको कोई छुट्टी नहीं है. नंबर 3, ध्यान से सुनना फ्रेंड्स. एक 3-3.5 महीने पहले का किस्सा है. ये सुबह सुबह काम करते हैं. एक बंदे का मुझे पता चला, oh my God, मैं तो रात को पता नहीं, रो नहीं पाया. I was really shocked. सर, पेपर वाला should come to the job, come to the work. बंदा एडमिट था. Morning 4 o'clock he got discharged. 4 to 7 he worked and 7 o'clock again admitted. Can it happen everywhere, anywhere in the world? दोस्तों, ये देखो कैसा है. रात को 100, ये फटाफट खत्म करूंगा मैं. Mid Mumbai, 192 types of newspaper get print at midnight. कब काम करते हैं? पूरे अंधेरे में जब हम सोते हैं. These people are working at midnight. Can you imagine, friends? They work midnight. How much they carry weight? I will show one student studying in 11th standard carrying 45-50 kg weight on his shoulder. ये देखो. How much weight is carrying? Studying in 11th standard. He is working. I will show another boy studying in 9th standard, delivering newspapers on 1st floor, 10th floor, 20th floor. This boy. मैंने उसको पूछा, why are you doing by steps? पता है बंदा बोलता है, अंकल, बिल्डिंग वाला do not allow पेपर वाला to use lift. I should go by steps. On 10th floor, he go by steps. हम लोग सुबह 2 मिनट देरी से आता है पेपर, हम लोग किसान चिल्लाते हैं. दोस्तों, इट्स नॉट इजी. क्योंकि बच्चे सब पढ़ते हैं, स्कूल भी आते हैं. सर, पेपर बांटने के बाद स्कूल में गया तो स्कूल वाला चिल्लाएगा, यहाँ नहीं आया यहाँ चिल्लाएगा. सुबह पेपर शायद समय पे आता भी नहीं समटाइम. सर, बारिश में प्लास्टिक पता नहीं क्या क्या. सर, मैं तो बहुत स्टडी कर रहा हूँ. I know internally, but at least we should know these things also. This slide I will show off 1 minute. Just
in order to carry this increased load, every paper vendor starts his day very early, keeping aside all his payments. I have lost my father, but I have to attend my duties. It is customary in our family that we cannot move out of the house for 13 days then.
बाप मर गया तो भी काम पे आना पड़ता है. Even father expired.
Problem of this business is
You will see, even some small girls are working. This girl studying in 9th standard, she is working. Her younger sister studying in 6th standard. I will show that girl, younger sister. Copy kar diya PPT. You can copy afterwards, no problem. It's open secret. We want people should listen and learn and share with this. Sir, ये बच्चे का इंटरव्यू लिया है. बंदी बोलती है, Uncle, I get up 4:30 sharp. I come 5:30 over here to collect newspaper. 5:30, 6:30 I collect newspaper. 6 to 7 I handle store in uniform. 7 o'clock she go to school. 1 o'clock she come back home. 1 to 3 she help mother in kitchen. 3 to 5 she go to sleep. 5 to 8 she study. 11, 12 years old girl working morning 4:30 to 9:30. I went to her school. I met principal. Ma'am, I want to know about this child. I got shocking news. Principal told, sir, this girl last 3 years top in the school. Top in the school. मैंने फिर बच्चे को इंटरव्यू दिया. मेरा बेटा, how you top in the school? बंदी बोलती है, कॉर्पोरेट आंसर देती है. But uncle, every day I study 3 hours. That's it. I stood top. Can we study every day? Ask ourselves. Because of consistency, we could not able to achieve what you supposed to achieve because you deserve for that. हम अलग बोलते हैं, चेयरमैन साहब, तुम्हारे पापा बोलते होंगे, आजकल के हमारे बच्चे हमसे होशियार है, लेकिन हमारे जितने काम नहीं करते, बड़ा दुख हुआ है. They are not doing that much hard work. May not be have attitude. Approach might be, despite youngs are excellent, young Indians know better than we. Friend, आजा. Because you are one of the बहुत बड़ी धरोहर है. देश की परिवार की जिसकी भी सोचना it's your thought you can think anyway but can we do yes यहाँ पर देखो दोस्तों 83-year-old man working 83-year-old man friends we have to interview बंदा बोलता है last 61 years I am working same chair बैठने को जगह नहीं यार बंदा काम कर रहा है हमको तो कितना सब कुछ है यार कहाँ से आया ये वो भी माँ बाप के मेहनत से फिर भी हम लोग नहीं करेंगे my dear friend it is not good. Please try to understand parents, teachers. Believe me, friends, भगवान तो कहाँ है यार, इनमें तो भगवान है. At least you think of it, their expectation. They will not expect to, who will expect यार? I'm sorry, I'm not favoring TV with other speakers. They are good, but हर एक का अपना अपना opinion है. I believe I should expect from my son here, not top of this with that bit. At least I feel they should work at the top. Friends, my purpose to tell you, these are what the Dabawalas, honesty, believe, all these things. All this for every Indian, if you prove yourself, you are good quality, you should bring into practice. Friend, 1% work, it makes difference. In 2010, I started Mundapal Education Center because I want to give extra knowledge to Dabawalas. I told number one, Dabawala should learn computer because tomorrow in Mumbai, you will order Dabawala on internet. They should learn internet. मैंने बोला सर 6 महीने मेहनत की, they were not ready. At the end of 6 months, I got idea. In my school, I made Ural local train. In every coach, I put PC. Developer बुलाया, developer बोलते, अरे ये local train है, now we will come because we feel we are learning local train. Now they are coming to learn computer. It's my honor, friend, to teach children. I made Ural classroom. लोकल उनके क्लासरूम बनाया है, वहाँ पर दबाव इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं. Because I want tomorrow foreigners will come to Mumbai. Dabawala should tell good morning, how are you sir? Tomorrow I will not come. इतना तो बोलो यार, इतना आना चाहिए. So we are trying out our level best. Maybe their children, other children, we are taking care of it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. 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 I pray Almighty God, this new year, Diwali, comes with a lot of happiness and lots of lights in your life. Thank you so much. Please return. Thank you so much. So this is another royal treatment, royal college students and people have given. Young Indians, standing applaud. Sir, can I ask some question to them? क्योंकि सर ने बोला उसमें 5 मिनट मैंने डिस्काउंट दिया है, मैं 5 मिनट और कम बोला, सर ने 20 मिनट ज़्यादा दिया था, मैंने 15 मिनट ज़्यादा दिया. मैं चाहता हूँ दोस्तों आप क्वेश्चन पूछे. Anybody want to ask some question? Yes, please.